Hey guys, how you going? It is Andrew here. Just wanted to check in with everyone else that's on the Marathon 260. Hopefully by now you can see how absolutely powerful this is going to be. I'm pretty excited. As there are a lot of the other people that have been on the marathon, getting in, doing the mahi, the work that they need to do. So I'm just wanted to share here with you my obligations. Obviously, it is backwards, but there you go. It's signed. We'll put a photo in here as well. But guys, you know, the work's there to be done, right? So get in and do it. I'm no different to anyone else. I'm getting in and doing the work that needs to be done as well. So I congratulate everyone that's taken massive action to make this happen. This is all about creating really good habits. This is all about creating momentum. It's all about creating lasting change for you guys and shift for you guys in your own lives. If you ever wanted to make your stand or draw your line in the sand, now is the time to do it. So congratulations to everyone. I'm in there neck deep, the same as everyone else, and I'm absolutely enjoying the process. Have a great day, guys. Take care.